of the roof of the cab of 100. Up at the roof sheathing, there have been various things that have happened to the roof over the years. In the case of the one we're looking at right now, where there are 4 boards, this is where the stovepipe went through, and for whatever reason, somewhere in its life here at Seashore, the stovepipe was removed, and it was just some rough boards were put in there. They weren't thick enough to match the other boards, which are 7/8 inch thick, which is not a standard thickness anymore. So we made up some new ones out of poplar and nailed them in, as you can see. When we do put the stove in, we'll cut a round hole in all of those, and they will, then the pipe can go through. Over on the other side, the long ones were the same way. They were some rough boards that were too thin. So we ended up making new ones. And that one of those over on the other side, the boards were rotted and we couldn't get them smoothed down. Now, it's interesting, the boards were originally all tongue and groove. Now, we couldn't put them all, in order to get them back inside, we couldn't put them tongue and groove, all of them. Some of them were. And also, the V-grooves, in some cases, denote separate boards, and in the other cases, there are 2 board widths, but are actually one board with a V-groove going down the center of the board. So we tried to line them up so that everything lines up with the way they were originally. There are different widths of wood. There's narrow wood, there's wide wood, and then there's middle-sized wood there. But Laconia was making the best advantage of the wood that they had. All the light bulbs we took out the other day and put them into storage so we don't bang them when we're working up there on the ceiling.